Welcome to our home, John Brown. Today we're going to make a drink that I invented called the dry heat because it's 115 this week in Phoenix, Arizona, and it's a dry heat. Let me tell you, it's friggin' hot outside. So really what this is, it's a riff on a margarita, but I did do it a little bar home style. So what we're going to do is shake and drink. We are going to take an ounce and a half of this blanco tequila that I infused with jalapeno. So if you do not have a water oven, then just take a 750 milliliter bottle of blanco tequila, a good one, something that you like, and put 2 jalapenos in there and a few of the seeds. And just let it set for 2 or 3 days until it kind of turns this shade of green. If you have a water oven, cook it at 140 degrees for 3 hours with the same amount of jalapenos and it'll turn out terrific. So we're going to put an ounce and a half of this in. I get that great tequila smell and I can smell the jalapenos in it, so it's really good as a shot too. We don't do shots here, we make quality cocktails, right? Right, fans? Now we're going to add a half an ounce of Leopold Orange liqueur. They're out of Colorado. Make very, very good spirits. And they make the orange liqueur. They also have some whiskey. They have all sorts of different things that they distill. But this is one of my favorites. So just a half an ounce of this. And then half an ounce of Ancho Reyes, which is an ancho chili liqueur. So a little spicy too. Just adds a different quality of spice to the drink. And then we're going to, whoa, hold on. Don't break anything, Then we're going to add a half an ounce of strawberry simple syrup that I homemade. Half an ounce of that. Then we're going to take 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice. Put that in there. And then we're going to put some watermelon. So I'll put about 3 pieces of that in there. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to take some mint and put that in there as well. And we're going to mold this all up together. Oops. One more ingredient. I forgot the Hellfire bitters. So dry heat, we're going to spice this bad boy up. So a couple sleeves of the Hellfire bitters. And then we're just going to muddle the watermelon and the mint into the drink. And I will tell you, just keep muddling it down. It doesn't have to be like extra fine or anything. Just kind of make sure you mash the mint and the watermelon all together. And then we're going to shake this drink, so we're going to put about 3 cubes of ice in here. There we go. Shake that for about 10 seconds, 10-15 seconds. And then what we have to do is you just strain it and pour, which I will show you right here as soon as I go get my glass. Voila! A double rocks glass with an ice cube in it. And then all we're going to do is just pour this drink. Move some of this out of the way so you guys can see. Just pour. I mean, you'll get some of the watermelon pieces in there. You'll get some of the few little mint pieces in there as well. And there you go. And to garnish, we're going to just garnish with a little piece of watermelon and a little mint leaf. And there you go. Dry heat. And it is 111, 112 today. There we go. Beautiful drink.